Here's the end result of my 1978 KZ1000 project bike. I procrastinated a little bit with the paint aspect of this project, but I finally got it done. It really wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. This project started out as a bike that I bought from a man named Jack in Ohio, and he had ideas of turning this bike back into a restored stock bike, and I didn't really get it to that level, but I think Jack would appreciate how his old bike turned out, and it was a good project. I learned a lot on this. Turned out that the engine had a 1075 piston kit in it, and I had a set of 29 millimeter smoothbore carbs that I put on there, and it runs really strong with those carbs. And with the head porting that I did, this is the easiest starting bike from dead cold that I have ever seen. I mean, just as soon as you hit the start button, this thing just starts right up. But yeah, it runs really good, and it got painted a dragon green, and I didn't know if I was going to like it or not, but after I painted it and wet sanded it and polished it up, I do. I like it a lot. I think it looks really good. So here's what it sounds like. Turn the gas on. Pretty cool bike. It runs really great. It's really fun to ride. But yeah, that's how it all ended up turning out. This engine, man, it was so bad when I first bought it. Everything was oxidized and just really bad, and I built a vapor blaster and I took the engine fully apart and put it in there, and it did a nice job of cleaning up this aluminum and polishing it as it took the oxidation off. So that's where it stands. This thing may go up for sale if anybody's interested.